Yeah, Rev. Some different type of thing. 6. Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. I pray people, wagwan. Some look brown, man. Please. So, peace with the yard right now. We just here a chill. Here falling in the background, brother. At a Jamaican, you see on the countryside, when you live on the countryside, you always have to go out them, you follow them. All type of stuff nice in the background when you are a country, man. Alright, so me there here at chill, guys. Me know me have it actually post no video. But me soon post some video, but me I try to start like actually start vlogging more cause I don't know, really feel if I see vlog more than I feel like sit down and do reaction. But me still have the reaction and all that, you know, but right now me just feel to start look vlogging and think about some place and thing and make no forward me, you see me? So right now I'm at home right now, chilling right now. Yesterday me actually follow mother actually fly up an iron bud. It was so that the Jamaican term the iron bud. So yeah, he actually fly out yesterday, so actually me alone here right now and father gone to work. So yeah, right now your boy need a job cause YouTube not start paying me we don't reach the milestone as yet. So as soon as we reach at the goal, we can start get more proper quality, do more proper quality videos, maybe do more things. I actually travel more and bring you guys with me and show you what is in it. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is actually cook. I tell you we're gonna cook. I'm just gonna show you guys. So what we're gonna do? Yeah man, we're going to put in that video. So we're gonna cook mackerel and white rice. Yeah, so mackerel and white rice. So we are going in the kitchen and show you now how we look about that. Boom, now people have rice. Well, I now cook enough rice to that because I just 2 hours ago, I just 2 persons here, so I cook with the rice, man. Definitely. So wash the rice. I'm not going to use the rice cooker because honestly, right now, yeah, me I say right now, I just use the rice cooker and cook. I'm more faster and all these things. I'm not lying here, I'm kind of dark still, but go and bear with me, you know. So I just match up and show you how I go on, you see me? Alright. Yeah, so I just wash the rice and now no worry. You see someone who must have come in there and say, yo, boy, you wash your hand. Yeah, man, wash my hand and thing, man. I want to know, man. But I can't roast it. But I can't try nothing in my comments, man. Boom, we just clean, wash the rice and thing, put salt on it, butter in it. So, this is a pressure cooker, man. I hardly use the pressure cooker more. I don't know why I choose to use it. Alright, let's say the reason why I use it because I'm more faster right now. Because honestly, go cook this in a pot and thing right now. That just take up time. You see me? So, yeah, rice in a pressure cooker, rice cooker right now. So, what I'm going to go and deal with. So, I'm going to deal with this here now. Hey, Jack Mackerel. Yeah, people, I don't forget, you see me. The one I bad to me still, no know about the other one, you see me, but here we have a match up right now. Alright. I look about the mackerel now, we see what in our fridge. See what. Tomato. I don't kinda need one stick, I really need too much. I broke off this and okay. Onion a little onion man. I'm gonna use. I'm gonna need some onions and all that stuff, bro. Alright, so just don't cut up all this. So I'm gonna put the pot on the stove and get that heated and just throw in there and just deal with this. So I'm gonna do a little montage of what I want. Yeah. Yep. So I put little black pepper on it. They won't put enough on it, you see me? Now I put enough on it. Little bit of black pepper, because you know where black pepper already, you know. Alright, so I think let's bubble up there also. So it look weird on the camera, man. Look disgusting on the camera. I'm gonna show you with the white rice and thing, you know, so it's it. So yep, this is the great white rice and mackerel there. Make a yard there, real countryman thing. It's it. So make that go on, cook out a little bit and then show you a final touch. And yeah. But you know what I mean? Let's say a really hard man thing, you know, man. Your boy can't cook your zit. So yeah, people, it is the great white rice and mackerel, you don't know, yard man thing. Or DJ can.
Man, I cook jerk chicken pan your bumba clot. Jerk chicken pan your bumba clot. Man, I cook bumba clot jerk chicken. Yardman style this. Everything me I do, yardman style. Yardman style me I did it. You know what I mean? Just cool, man.
Well, yeah, man. So I tell you in that video, people. Alright, now I'm gonna show you this, I know. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.